Welcome to solverfy.
Chapter 1, Section 3, Problem 8. Question. While driving in an exotic foreign land, you see a speed limit sign that reads 18 or 180,000 furlongs per night. So we have 180,000 furlongs per fortnight. Interesting. It says how many miles per hour is this? So we're going to want to do a unit conversion from furlongs per fortnight to miles per hour. Okay, and so in order to do this, we need to find out how all the units match. So we're given that 1 furlong is 1/8 of a mile. And so in other words, that also means 8 furlongs are equal to a mile. And so one thing to remember is all these quantities, these unit changes, are equivalent to 1. So when we multiply this quantity, we're just multiplying by 1. And we're also given that a fortnight is 14 days. So 1 fortnight is equivalent to 14 days. But our question is asking for the quantity of hours, not in days. So we're going to want to have another unit conversion factor. And that's going to be how many hours are in a day. And that happens to be 24 hours in a day, at least on Earth. Okay, and so now we can start off with our quantity at 180,000 furlongs per fortnight. And in order to get rid of these quantities and get the ones we want, we're going to have to match them properly. So in order to get rid of the furlong, you can see this quantity, we're going to want to use the reciprocal of it. So we have, and put FL on the bottom. So 8 furlongs are in a mile. Times 1 fortnight per 14 days times, and now we want to get rid of the quantity of days, so we put this on the top. 1 day per 24 hours. And as you can see, we can cross off these quantities as they all equal to 1. A furlong over a furlong is 1. Fortnight over fortnight is 1. Days over days is 1. And so we're left with the quantity of miles an hour. So then we're left with 1,800, or 180,000, divided by all of these values. So 8 times 14 times 24 miles per hour. This ends up being approximately 67 miles an hour. So if you're ever stuck in the backwoods of this exotic island, this foreign land, and you read a sign that says 180,000 furlongs per fortnight, just know, keep your speed limit under 67 miles an hour.